Brazilian History Overview. Brazil is a country located in South America and is the largest country in both South America and Latin America. It has a rich and complex history that spans thousands of years, beginning with its indigenous peoples and continuing through colonialism, independence, and modernization. Indigenous peoples. Before the arrival of Europeans in the late 15th century, Brazil was home to numerous indigenous groups. These groups, which included the Tupi, Guarani, and Ga superscripte peoples, had developed complex societies with their own languages, cultures, and traditions. They lived in villages and practiced hunting, fishing, and agriculture. Colonial period. In 1500, Portuguese navigator Pedro Álvares-Cabral arrived in what is now Brazil and claimed it for Portugal. Over the next few centuries, Portugal established a colonial government in Brazil and began exploiting its natural resources, including timber and gold. They also brought over African slaves to work on sugar and coffee plantations. Independence. In 1822, Brazil declared its independence from Portugal and became a constitutional monarchy. The country was ruled by Emperor Pedro I until 1831, and then by his son, Pedro II, until 1889. During this time, Brazil underwent significant economic and social changes, including the abolition of slavery in 1888, Republic. In 1889, a military coup overthrew the monarchy and established the first Brazilian Republic. Brazil went through several periods of political instability and authoritarianism during the early 20th century. However, in 1985, Brazil returned to democracy with the end of the military dictatorship. Modern Brazil. Today, Brazil is a vibrant and diverse country with a rapidly developing economy. It is home to over 200 million people and is known for its vibrant culture, music, and sports. However, Brazil still faces significant social and economic challenges, including poverty, inequality, and environmental issues.